welcome back to yet another series of Marble Gallery. Let me ask you all something. Have you ever seen a Hollywood movie and when the James Bond or Tom Cruise is jumping from one roof to another, have you ever wondered, my God, what a strong roof and what a beauty she is? Have you? Introducing a world-class product and a best roofing solution just for you. Introducing Tejas Borja for you. This is a Spanish roof tile which is in the international market for the last 120 years. Yes guys, last 5 generations they have been in the international market. So when I'm talking about the international market, to sustain 5 generations is not a small thing in the European market, right? So I don't have to talk much about the credibility of the company nor the standards that they maintain of their products. If they can sustain this long, definitely it is the best. Okay, so I can proudly tell you one more thing. We, Marble Gallery, are the first people who brought this product into the Indian market. We brought this in 2012 and we wanted to see how we can bring a global roofing solution to the Indian market. So to know more about this, I'm going to be calling upon 2 people with me who's going to be sharing the space. So let's go ahead and call them and they will inform you or tell you more about this room. Okay, so I have 2 people with me here. This is Mr. Derek.
Hi.
And this is Mr. Siddharth.
Hi.
So they both are going to be telling us or answering all our queries. Okay. So Mr. Derek, let me ask you, how do you pronounce, is it Tejas Borja or Tejas Borja?
Well, you can call both. It is Tejas Borja in India
Okay.
and Tejas Borja in Spanish, because
Okay.
J is silent in Spanish language.
Okay.
And mostly in India we don't do like that. We just call it J.
Okay. So it is Tejas Borja, but in India people call it Tejas Borja.
Yeah.
But the right pronunciation is Tejas.
Tejas Borja.
Okay.
So make sure that you call me Derek Jose next time.
Yeah, so it's not going to be Derek Jose, he's going with Derek Jose.
Yeah.
Okay, so a new Spanish word for me. So Mr. Derek, let me ask you, this India, you have a lot of roofing solutions. And especially a place like Kerala that where we are right now, we also have a lot of solutions. So why did you bring a global brand like Tejas Borja from Spain into this market? What made you bring that?
See, in earlier days we used to get very good tiles, roof tiles in India.
Okay.
So, like India is a land of clay products and clay related products. So we had the best clay, one of the best clays in the world itself. And back to our ancient history, these clays were like we used to make a lot of potteries. And like you can see in the history, it's like a lot of Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, like all those where people were actually expertise in making clay products. So on later stage, like because of time, the Britishers introduced clay roof tiles, lot of patterns in India, and we had those Athangudi roof tiles and mangrove pattern roof tiles most popular in southern India, and which was used widely in other parts of India. So due course of time, there was no regulatory authority which was controlling the mining.
Okay.
So what happened is the resource went out. What happened, like it happens in every industry.
Yeah.
So when you don't have any controlled procedures,
You mean the raw materials that you are receiving was not 100%
pure. Yeah, it is not up to the mark.
Up to the mark.
So
Okay.
the quality of roof tiles which we
Were
produce
compromised.
were compromised, and
Okay.
right now what we are getting is not what we got around 40 years back.
How does this Tejas Borja makes it different from other roof tiles? I mean, what is different? Your roof tile can offer which other roof tile can't.
Yeah, you can see it.
Yeah.
It is the colors
It's a
and
beauty,
designs
yes.
what you have,
Yes.
obviously.
Other than this.
Other than that, see, when I say it is a 120-year-old company, you need a lot of technological improvement in the overpast years.
Okay.
Those patterns, production technologies,
Okay.
everything should improve up to the mark. Like what the demand changes. So when you say you need a bigger roof tile these days, so we have a bigger roof tile which is almost
Okay.
2 square feet.
Okay.
So sometimes you say that you need like different finishes, cement finish, like architectural things changes.
Okay.
So all these finishes can be made, and the color like longevity. When you say we'll get 50 years of color warranty. That's what the company gives.
Oh, that's
So all those things are an output of lot of R&D.
Okay.
So What Tehasbora is having a separate department, like separate wing for R&D, and they constantly look for improving their products and all.
Okay.
So what I believe is the quality of the product, what they
Design, quality,
make, design, and the production lines.
production lines,
So
durability.
yeah, durability.
Okay.
So there is one technology called edge cassette firing, the firing technology. So earlier we used to have this bucket firing for roof tiles.
Okay.
Right now what we have is edge cassette firing. I don't think that every company, most of the companies have, right? Very few companies have this edge cassette firing,
Okay.
which make the tile more strengthened.
Okay.
The more strong it will be, and the more lesser water absorbent it will be.
Okay.
So for this climate changes and everything, it will withstand. The roof tiles will last long.
Okay, so
So,
you are
yeah.
trying to tell me that not only just design,
Yeah.
not only the different designs that you have or different colors that you have, it's basically even the technology used
Right.
in this roofing.
Right.
It makes it different from the other roof tiles.
Right.
Fantastic. Okay, so Siddharth, earlier Derek was talking about water absorption.
Okay.
So we are in a tropical.
Yes, we are. Yes.
So when we are in a tropical place, this really matters. So what is the
Yes.
percentage?
There are, like, we have, as Mr. Derek has said before, we have different varieties of roof tiles.
Okay.
And for us also, we have different production methods as well.
Okay.
So our most largest roof tile called Flat 5XL is made with a production technology called, where they use roller kiln, which is
Okay.
only of its kind,
Okay.
where no other brands has this
It's a
technology.
patent.
It's not really a patented technology, but
Okay.
still that is now, at present Tehasbora only has that production methodology,
Okay.
where each tiles has been fired and the absorption rate is very less in that particular model. And we have other varieties as well. Let's say the one behind you, which is called Technica 10, is made with the
Okay.
edge cassette firing,
This one.
has got only 7% of water absorption.
Okay.
Less than 7%
And
of
what
water
is
absorption.
and what about the Indian brand tiles?
Indian brand tiles normally has more than 10%. It goes up to 14 and 15%.
Oh, fantastic! So that
And-
you, comparatively just 7%.
Yes, yes. And there is another model, there are other models which has more than 3% of water absorption, less than 5% of water absorption. I mean, there are different varieties in it.
Okay, so I
So-
think that's actually very good for a place like ours where we have 80%
Exactly.
of our time it's rainy.
Exactly.
Right? Okay.
And due to that water absorption rate, I mean, load water absorption rate, the strength of the tiles is very high, very good. And also, apart from that, even if it rains, normally what happens with the normal domestic tiles is, when it rains or over a period of time where they get used to like 2 to 3 monsoon seasons,
Okay.
what happens is there are chances for the strength to get reduced.
Okay.
And even a drop of something like a small weight on top of it may cause the damage for it. Whereas in our roof tiles, since the absorption rate is too low, the water don't get inside into it. Due to that reason itself, the strength won't get reduced even after any number of rainy seasons or monsoons.
So you're trying to tell me about the breakage strength now.
Yeah.
So what is a breakage strength? Do you have any standards to measure that?
Yes, of course. Actually, in Europe, like every things that really matters to the standards of it has got its own certifications.
Okay.
Where the weight bearing capacity is also a measure to calculate or to make a standard for the roof tile.
Okay.
So due to that reason, let's make it more simple. Like normally, what happens when people get into the roof for some maintenance works and anything, our roof tiles won't get broken due to the reason it has got a weight bearing capacity of minimum 150 kilogram,
Okay.
and it's more actually. It's more than 150 kilogram.
Okay.
So we are telling it from our experience, where our workers get into these roof tiles after a period of time, maybe after 2 or 3 years, when they need a cleaning or any sort of things on roof tiles. No such issues of breakage or anything happens.
So we don't have to fear the
No.
when especially in earlier stages when we see the old houses, when you see people get on top of it, there's a tendency of breaking,
Exactly.
right? So that fear we don't have to have with this time,
Exactly. Yes.
especially when you go to Wayanad, when you see hotels and resorts with this, and you have a lot of issues with monkeys there.
Exactly,
Right.
yes,
So you
yes.
wanted to say something about that.
Of course, like it's a major problem where when monkeys drop on the roof, or like when they
Yeah.
jump over the roof, there are chances for the roof tiles to get damaged. Not only in Wayanad, even in Bangalore or other regions where there's number of monkeys or more.
Okay.
But in our case, in Theyasbora roof tiles, even if a monkey drop or a monkey get on top of this or jumped on it, that nothing is going to happen because, as I said before, the weight bearing capacity of the
very
roof tile
high.
is very
So
high.
guys, this is a fantastic thing. Whenever you want to plan a resort and you want to have a roofing in that resort, especially in places like Wayanad and Bangalore, Goa, wherever.
Yes,
I mean,
yes.
any hill stations where you have a problem with the monkeys, this is a fantastic solution. It doesn't break easily. So I think that's one thing very good for all the resort people who wants to build. We have a solution. Okay. So we spoke about breakage earlier. So what is your recommendation about the installation? How do you recommend that it be installed? It is just
So we can actually install these roof tiles on in different ways actually.
okay.
So if you have a sloped roof tile already where you have already done with a concrete roof, I mean concrete sloped roof tile, you can do a cement repair on that and do the installation on it. There are different ways actually.
Okay.
And there is another way where there won't be any sort of such support or concrete roof. You can just do this on industrial works,
Okay.
where it will be like it has a proper locking system,
Okay.
and this locking can be done on the industrial works where you can have a truss work with a reaper and the roof tiles will be kept on top of it, or you can do the installation on top of industrial works. Even wooden reapers and battens, those ancestral days, the same thing that was there before. Even we can do on top of wooden reapers as well.
So what do you recommend? See, as you are the best person to tell,
Yeah.
if for a person who doesn't know,
Okay.
what is your recommendation?
So if you don't really have a roof, a concrete roof, it is always better to go with the industrial work. I mean,
because you actually get to the
Yes.
coolness of the tile.
Yes,
You get
yes.
to experience a reason why you are laying
yes,
it, right?
yes, exactly.
Right.
Because there is no real such need of having a concrete roof below this.
Okay.
Because we have, as I said before, we have a proper water tightness and we have a proper locking system.
Okay.
Apart from that, in addition to it, we can even do a screwing
Okay.
where, as we said before, the monkeys problem will
Yeah,
get
right.
reduced.
Definitely.
Because there are even cases where these monkeys take off this roof tile from the roof and they just throw it off. So
Okay.
if there is a screw on it, then there is no chance for them to take it off.
Oh, fantastic. So that means, see, why are we even laying a roof tiles? Not just for the beauty also.
Yeah.
I think in the olden times, people say that when you lay the roof, that coolness,
Exactly.
right? The coolness.
Since it is being made with the same clay, red clay.
It's with the right clay.
Red clay,
You
yes.
feel the coolness
Yes,
inside.
yes,
So when
yes.
you put that concrete and lay the roof, then definitely you might not get the exact feeling of laying.
In such cases where there is a concrete below that, the purpose of these roof tiles are just for the aesthetic
Just
beauty.
for the aesthetic beauty. But if there is someone who really wants to enjoy the olden days,
Yes, and is really in need of a shelter, then this roof tile is a good
so
option.
I think their recommendation is definitely something to do with industrial.
Industrial truss works. Yes,
Okay,
yes,
fantastic.
Yes.
Siddharth, this is a very interesting design, yeah. I mean, seriously, you have a design like this?
Yes. Actually, this is something, a replica of the 120-year-old design, or let's say like on those days when the roof tile was just in red color,
Okay.
has come to this situation due to the algae and fungal growth on top of that.
Okay.
Since it is a clay roof tile, the fungal and algae growth will happen on it over a period of time.
Okay.
And since it is a brand which has been started since 1899, so after 120 years of time, those roof tile has come to this stage, and they have made it or imprinted it on new roof tiles, making a celebration, like as a part of their celebration of 120 years oldness, or like after 120 years of their
Wow.
being in the market.
That
Yeah.
means, first and foremost, guys, when they spoke earlier, Mr. Derek had spoken about the raw material. It's the raw material used, how
Yes.
fine the raw materials are.
Yes,
So,
yes.
unless and until it's a very fine raw material, you will never have this fungus or the mold coming into the roof. So that itself, proves that they are using 100% good clay. Okay, that's one point. Secondly, now this is in vogue.
Yes.
People want such, especially the architects. This is one of the architects' favorite designs.
Yes,
See, the
exactly.
more you go into, nobody wants to have that plain looking or very clean looking, tiles for their resorts, or maybe houses they might prefer a clean looking and whatever. But when you're going in for resorts and hotels,
No, even in our places where there is an architect involved in this, they really have this kind of taste.
Yeah.
Where they feel like this look will
have
give
a
a
natural,
added
natural look to it.
Yes.
So that is also one thing. Then you were talking about the water.
Yes. Thus, all these roof tiles, all our roof tiles has got a proper water cutting on it.
Okay.
So due to that reason itself, it has got a complete water tightness, and as you can see, these water cuts are for making sure that the water don't get drip inside the
Okay.
house or anything happens with that.
Okay.
So
all the roof tile has that.
of course, yes, especially those which made with HKST has some more clearer or more deeper water cuts on it.
Okay. So, Derek, I've heard that Tehas Borha is a brand which is a very environment-friendly brand. So, can we say that about your roof tile? Is it an eco-friendly product?
Yes, in fact,
Okay.
our entire range is an eco-friendly range.
Okay.
What we do is like we have a controlled mining in our factories and in our mines also. So wherever we have mines, we don't overuse it. We have a very controlled process. And secondly, with the help of technologies, what I've said earlier, we produce very lightweight roof tiles.
Okay.
So those lightweight roof tiles contribute to a lot of factors. Okay, first 5 meter weight is very lesser for us. So this contributes in different aspects.
Okay.
One is the amount of steel or woods you use to hold this roof tile.
Oh, very nice.
So it is a
Okay.
much more lesser, like it has a lesser weight.
Okay.
So you don't need very heavy structures to hold this
To
roof
hold the
tile.
roof tile.
So it doesn't like see what we have is like almost per square meter we have 35 kg. So that is the standard range what we try to keep.
Okay.
So additionally, another advantage is you can transport more number of roof tiles in one single container. So the carbon footprints you produce while traveling, while transporting this product is lesser.
Okay.
So the amount of fuel which is using is lesser.
Okay.
So that is an aspect which we don't actually think.
Okay.
But there are a lot of people who actually.
No, but of course there are. I mean, a lot of people right now
Yeah.
definitely want to know the products that we are using, is it eco-friendly?
Right,
Because
right.
there are a lot of environment lovers here who wants to know that when you're creating a product like this, are we even harming the environment?
Yeah, so we can actually give the count numbers like statistics what we produce and like what is the carbon footprint what we produce. So there are people who plant the number of trees according to that.
Oh.
So to substitute the carbon footprint.
That's very
So
nice.
we have this data and all. So it is not very conventional thing, but that is what we are trying to give back to the nature.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
wonderful. So not only Tehas Borha is not only giving you best designs or best colors, technology, they're also taking care of the environment in lot of ways. Okay, so I think you have covered the technical side of your roofs.
Right.
So let
almost,
me, almost. So let me ask you now from a customer's point of view. You said you will deliver throughout India, right?
Yes. Yes.
So how do you manage? Do you keep enough stock with you? Because this is a brand, this is coming from Spain.
Right.
Okay, and in manufacturing, everything is done in Spain. It is not locally manufactured. So do
Right.
you keep enough stock in hand, or what is the lead time a customer can expect when he places an order with you?
Yeah. So basically, we stock a lot of model here. Like as you can see.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, see the pallets lying around here. So we keep a lot of stock here in Kerala, and we have partners in other parts of India as well.
Okay.
So mostly, but when you order something specific, for this market we'll keep stock of some item.
Okay.
For the other market we'll keep that stock.
Okay.
But when you order something specifically you want, we can
Okay.
deliver anything from the catalog. There is almost 120 designs you can
That's
get from the
amazing.
catalog.
Okay.
So whatever designs you need, we'll get those on a timely basis. It is mostly it will take around 60 to 90 days. So it depends, like because the shipping industry itself has been going through a very tough
Okay.
time. So right now it might take around 90 days, but normally it used to take around 60 days.
Okay.
So most of the products like production time will be, it depends on, like see, transportation time is 1 month, production time is again 2 weeks. It will take processing time.
So 60 to 90
somewhere
days.
around 70 to 90 days. You
79.
can expect,
So
yeah.
whatever stock they have, that is around 30 to 40% designs, they have it in
it,
stock.
yeah.
So that is nothing to worry. But you have some specific designs which is not catering to a particular market, or something totally new, then that might take 90 days. So whenever you are planning something and you like something here, and we need to have some time with us for
Right.
certain products, not all products. Most products we are having a stock here.
Right.
Okay. Now, Derek, what is the price range? That's what, because this
Well,
is not
yeah.
a local
Let's
brand.
go to the point.
Yes. This is not a local brand.
Right.
And it has the best technology used,
Right.
best designs used. So what is the price range?
See, As a matter of fact, if you go with roof tile, if you
Yeah.
see roof tiles, we don't say it in a square meter price or we don't say it in a square feet price.
Okay.
So what we use is the metrics used is per piece, per
Okay.
unit.
Okay.
So,
So you're saying one piece will be covering how many square feet?
it depends on. See, so there are
The normal ones that is displayed here.
see, for example, this coverage area of this roof tile is around like 0.85 square feet.
Okay.
And this is almost 1 square feet.
Okay.
And you have this one covering more than 1 square feet. The flat tiles, we
Yeah.
have 1.08 square feet to be
Okay.
in fact.
Okay. Okay.
This is one of the roof tile which I told, no, well, lesser carbon footprint
lesser
because
carbon, yes.
this is a bigger tile.
Okay.
You don't get this big tiles in the market.
Okay.
Everything is below 1 square feet. The pricing would be around it starts from 100 rupees to 750 rupees.
Okay.
So it depends on the sizes and the coverage areas, the models, the finishes.
Okay.
The glaze tiles are again more costlier. These tiles are again more costly.
But then this is again higher coverage.
Yeah, this is
This is
having a
something
high
called.
coverage area and
This tile is called 5XL. or
5XL. Yeah, so this almost covers this 2 square feet area.
Yeah.
So and the design what you have is very unique.
100%. It's like a stone designs.
Yeah, right.
It's a stone designs,
You have
yeah.
stone design. You have copper designs.
They have wood designs,
Wood
copper
designs,
designs.
copper designs.
Fantastic. So definitely the prices would.
Yeah, so it
We
comes
ca-
in a different technology itself. The entire technology itself is different. So
Okay.
the coloring, everything is different. So it have its own.
So let us say the pricing, let's say from 100 to 750,
750.
depending upon the designs, the curves, the colors, we will have.
Right.
So they just have to get in touch with us.
Right.
And lead time also we discussed, we can
Right.
always take an average of 60 to 90 days for
Right.
customized one. In stock, we will take only a month.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
A month.
In stock, not even a month.
Not
we
even
can,
a
we
month.
Can, we can deliver in like 5 days.
Okay, whatever
Yeah.
we have in stock in 5 days. Now you are going to be delivering throughout India, you said.
Mostly we cover this
South.
South India plus Maharashtra, Goa and all.
Okay.
And for the north, we have another partner.
Okay.
So,
he
we
would
have a
be
partner,
catering
so
to it.
they would be catering in northern area. So if you're planning for a slow proof, do contact us in the given number. We'll give you a free estimation and free measurement and consultation also for those for your entire project. Okay.
Oh, fantastic! So not just a sales point, we are also looking at the service point too. You have your queries on how do you lay the roof, or you have few queries. No problem, we are here for you. They will be supporting you in all queries that you need. So can I have you both here? Okay. So thank you so much to Derek and Siddharth. You've been a great help in telling us more details about Teyar Borha. So thank you so much. A pleasure talking to both of
Same
you.
here. Same
Thank
here,
you
same
so
here.
much.
Yeah.
So that's it for you. People who have been, a big thank you to all you wonderful audience who've been supporting, encouraging and liking and giving us a lot of positive reviews. This has been encouraging for us. So thank you so much for that. People who's seeing this video for the first time, please subscribe to our channel, like our channel, put in your comments and queries. We'll come back to you. It's always a pleasure to interact with you this side. Thank you so much and have a nice day.